Hedgeye's Cyber Monday sale is here. This is the best deal we offer anytime on our investment research. Since 2008, Hedgeye's 40-plus analyst team has helped investors big and small navigate volatile financial markets. Now, let Hedgeye help you. Our special Cyber Monday sale features steep discounts on all of our industry-leading investment research. Explore our range of products that can suit your specific research needs. Don't miss Cyber Monday at Hedgeye.
Now, look at the cash in American bank accounts. And again, this is one of the most bullish things I can show you. Slide 53. It's misunderstood by all bears. This doesn't do this because Americans want to save. This is an incremental $4 trillion US dollars, okay? Now, US dollar isn't what it used to be. In fact, against Bitcoin, it's down 52% in the last month. And we're long of Bitcoin and ETH and all sorts of stuff that I don't understand. But I do understand this. Americans will spend. They don't want to save like that. So look at the chart on the right. During the last financial crisis, this spiked. And then guess what happened for the next decade after that? Americans spent their cash, right? Now they like to buy all sorts of stuff. Cars, pot, legal. It's legal now. You can buy booze, whatever you want to buy, they're going to buy, all right? So now look at this. Trips, slide 54. The things that they couldn't buy, there's a lot of inventory, these inventories. So I've actually thought of inventory and the supply chain bottlenecks as a super bullish catalyst for the economy, because these things are quite literally holding that chart on the right like a ball underwater. When it releases, it only has one way to go, and you better not have your face in front of the ball in a swimming pool. Been there, done that, right? So this is what's happening. And it's happening in autos specifically. U.S. Steel said this next chart, and this is one of the most important charts why I'm long Ford still. I was selling some the other day, but that's not the point. Why'd I buy Ford, when you should have bought Ford, which is before this most recent move? Well, because this chart had nowhere and has nowhere to go but up. This is down 88% from normalized levels. And everybody knows why. When a journalist on CNBC can tell you why, everybody knows why. Okay? So this is going up. U.S. Steel said our largest auto customers are now starting, they've seen the trough, and now they're starting to build inventories. You got that? Again, really simple concept, okay? The inventory that didn't print in GDP when the economy was slowing during Q3 is coming back, and that is additive. And again, if anything, I think that I'm too low on our Wall Street high growth estimate for the fourth quarter. And a lot of it has to do with that. Inventories being released. They don't all have to be released. In fact, if they don't, it's more bullish for what? Sometime down the line in Q1. Okay? So again, the market's very good at seeing through this, and obviously people's bullshit on the topic. This, by the way, today's supply constraints are tomorrow's amplifier. This is a very basic relationship that all traditional even economists should understand. Old wall, fully loaded. Again, inventories, which is the gray line, chase the backlog. The backlog's the demand. That's where the black line is. There's a shitload of demand. It's not this isn't fake news. This doesn't look like anything other than what the market's already telling you. So that's another way to look at the gray line's going to catch up. And how fast it catches up, I don't care. Don't overthink it. All right, on slide 58, I already showed you this, but I'm going to say it again. And one highlight in addition to that is that the main line of the U.S. economic acceleration, or the reopening, you want to call it reopening, reacceleration, it's all quad 2, is the bottom line on the right chart. That's called services consumption. That's the biggest component of the U.S. economy that we're talking about when you're going to go buy a bag of beers and go buy a Patriots ticket or whatever you're going to do. That's the services economy. That's consuming goods, okay, that aren't the durable goods that are already ripped. Everybody knows that. Everybody's got their barbecue and whatever they're doing. It's the service economy, stupid, okay? So again, there's a lot more upside to that because humans do things on a nonlinear basis. They're not linear like my old Yale models, okay? So again, think about that, and hopefully you enjoyed some of my bad jokes and you have some good questions. Hey there, Hedgeye Nation, or if you're not part of Hedgeye Nation, thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.